Hello, hello! Hello to you and hello to me. I'm back because I'm back. So ngayon, may sasakyan, dali.
Ay.
So ngayon, kakain kami, magmumukbang kami. Worth of 89 baht. Yes. Hindi ka naniniwala? 89 baht lang siya. Eat all you can. Wow, siya. Eat all you can. For only as low as 89 baht.
Oh, sige.
Okay, so let's go.
Open na ba siya ate?
Excuse me?
Ay.
Sorry. Customer pala siya. Tapos tinanong ko kung... Tatanungin ko sana kung... I was supposed to ask if they're open and... she's a customer. Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Di man siya nag-ano dahil.
So maybe she's waiting for
Per order?
her order. She might bought a set of the 89 baht.
Yeah, set talaga yan.
So before eating, they also have this sanitizers. So we've got sanitizers here. So practice the imposed of government. The Department of Health. So,
Ano to?
let's try that too.
Ba't dalawa? Ano yung isa?
In here, social sila. They've got two flavors of
Sanitizer.
sanitizer. The blue one is the with alcohol,
Uh-huh. How about the white one?
and the white one is
Moisturizer.
moisturizer
Oh,
with
bongga.
hand moisturizer. So I guess this is better because it will moisturize your skin.
Sige, habang wala kasi ate, introduce
So,
mo na lang muna.
While ate is not, I'll show you the food that we're going to eat. So we have here Chinese cabbage, mushroom. Sana hindi to na-slice para mas mas masarap, di ba? Mas masarap tingnan, ganun. We have cabbage. I can touch it because I hand sanitizer already. Mushroom again.
And yauki mushroom.
And we've got
Kangkong.
kangkong. So, kung saan ka pupulutin? Sa kangkongan. And this is
Thai basil.
Thai basil. I'm not sure. It might be.
It
And
might be you.
a glass noodles. I don't know what though they usually call this in English, but in Thai they say
Sige.
glass noodles.
Senle.
And actually, while waiting, you can eat some because in here they eat the vegetables raw. So this is cabbage.
Kinain na.
Tagal ni ate.
Sige, sa meat muna tayo. Ano si kuya?
Putแล้วใช่ไหมครับ Okay. ตรงนี้
สองคนค่ะ
and kangkong.
Nagtanong ka.
น้ำตรงนี้เรา
ค่ะ
น้ำเปล่าครับ So he asked, what are we going to drink? ดื่มอะไรครับ What are you going to drink? So I said, น้ำเปล่า it's water. And
Tinapos mo pala.
basil. Ay, binalik. Bastos. So,
5 minutes.
so these are the ingredients, or no, the food that we're going to eat, or the eat all you can. So we've got meatballs. I think this is pork. We've got crab sticks.
Crab stick.
Pork buttered. I'm not sure pork buttered.
Hot
Oh,
dog.
hot dogs. Pork again.
With fat.
Marinated pork. Actually, they are marinated pork.
And
I guess this is chicken.
Chicken.
Pick up.
chicken yun Dan.
Oh,
Okay.
I was about to ask. So this is
Means
minced pork. It's the same. It's marinated. So it's this is level. And
that I don't know.
I don't know which body part of the pig is that. And spleen, I guess.
And so
And
we also
this
have
this area are seafoods. Okay, I don't need to open because it's really inayos nilang mabuti ba. So we also have this
soft tofu. Egg tofu pala.
egg tofu, pero i-slice nila yung egg tofu. So this is egg tofu and this is egg. And we also have noodles. And ang hindi mawawalang sauce. At saka kung may sauce, dapat may salsa. So, let's
Okay.
get some.
Sige, magkuha ka na.
Dito muna tayo sa meat, syempre.
Oh,
Of
syempre.
course. So, pipiliin natin yung let's choose the meat that has
Taba ang meat.
social distancing of meat and fats para masarap. There, it's like this. So, lean meat fats, like that. And syempre, titikman natin lahat. So, dapat konti-konti lang. Since eat all you can naman, pwede ka namang bumalik later if ubos mo na. So, this is pure meat, lean meat. And yes, it's marinated. I'm excited. What else? Do you like this level?
Wait, ano?
Okay,
Konti-konti lang.
let's take some level boy.
Yan.
Konti lang to, isa pa. Kasi mahilig ako sa liver actually. I love level. Okay, and for the vegetables, so Chinese cabbage, mushrooms, cabbage, kangkong, just dump it in the basket. Another type of mushrooms, and a little bit of noodles.
And that's it.
A little bit more. Okay. So
Ano
let's
ba?
cover.
Gutom kami.
Let's cover because be kind to the next user. I don't like the Thai basil. Okay, so let's go. And we can have eggs for you, eggs for me, and eggs for everyone. Char. So it's gonna be like that. So ang sabaw is may timpla na siya,
Ano pala tawag ng ano nito?
and we call this as in Thai mojo.
Mojo.
Yeah. Nakalimutan kong magkuha ng sauce. So I'll sure just pour it in the pichel. There. And put it here. There. So let's start eating. This is your chopsticks, friend. This is mine. So it's boiling already. Okay. We don't have plates. So actually, I went back to get some of those, and I'll show you. This is crab sticks, meat, tualia, and meatballs, hot dogs. So we're just going to dump it in there. Lagay-lagay lang natin sila dito sa mahiwagang tinatawagang pot. So, ganyan. Guys, ano sa English ito? Tuwalya? Towel?
Tribe.
Sorry. Ilagay lang natin sila. Ay, ang ingay ng motor. Kuya, may problema ka? So, ang gulay is later na kasi ma-overrated. Ma-overcook. So, takpan lang siya. And later, kukulo na siya. So, ito yung sauce. And, tikman ko. Baliktarin ko kasi ito yung ginamit ko sa fresh, raw na meat. Spicy. Spicy. In Thailand, they say spicy is bad. Bad ma, very spicy. I hope I said it right. And water with 1 bucket of ice. But it's not ice bucket challenge. So while waiting na maluto siya, magkain-kain ng mga gulay because green is green. Because green is out.
Basil ba niya?
Ay, basil pala to. Yawa. Akala ko kangkong. Kasi yung basil, pangit lang lang sa pag-iluto. Sorry po, I'm sorry. Kodot ba?
Strong kaayo ang flavor.
So ito, I thought it was a pupulutin ka sa kangkungan. There. Ayan, kumukulo na po siya. Ayan, mainit na siya. Oh, so ayan, it's boiling point. So let's put some gulay. Let's put some vegetables because vegetables is life. So tambak lang siya actually. Let's just tambak it there. So don't worry about kung kinahawakan ko siya kasi I sanitizer twice. 2 flavors. So tambak lang siya. There. And ano lang, ganyan lang with the chopsticks. So see how cute the pot is. And pwede mo siyang i-cover for like how many seconds? Char. Tapos yun, pag magkulo na, let's eat. We're going to eat. But actually, ang crab stick, kinakain din nila na raw. So kahit hindi siya luto, wag lang itong mga meat. No. Hindi ko siya kaya. Although some Thai, kinakain nila yung beef na raw. So
Sarap.
it's shrimp.
Lasang crab.
Lasang crab, and shrimp. Tapos, since may sawasawan tayo, gamitin natin yung sawasawan. Hanghang kaayo. Hanghang.
Sarap na.
อร่อย อันนี้ก็ได้แล้ว มากิน So actually, pwede siyang patayin kasi luto na para hindi overrated, overcook yung mga gulalay. So here, this is your sauce. So usually nakakatatlong set or 2 set kami kasi maliit lang yung pot. At saka eat all you can nga. Kainin mo lahat ng gusto mo.
Diet ka pa?
So kung nagda-diet ka, I don't recommend you to come here. Otherwise, char, I recommend you to eat air. So ayan, ubos na ang first set. So bago tayo kukuha ng second set, mag-poach egg muna tayo, poach egg. So you just there. There. Tapos ito, iuwi mo para pang-abono mo sa mga plants if you have plants. Ganyan. So, nagpo-porch siya. Habang nagpo-porch ako, magkuha ako ng second set. Fine. Oh, wait. Go. Let's go. So, ayan. I'm back for the second set. Vegetables. And the second set. Sa kumulot ng aking porch. Aray! This is my porch egg. Kuya, naga-vlog ni, ha? Ingay. Okay, let's eat. Wala. Okay, ko na. No. So, for the second set, lagyan na natin lahat na para maka third set. Uy.
Yes, ko tayo sa power.
Hindi sakto lang yan. Stop na. So ayan, we're done. As you can see, ilang beses na po kaming bumalik, and kung mapapansin nyo, the lighting is different kasi magkagabi na. So ibig sabihin, we were here like for an hour and a half maybe. So to end it up or to finish it up, we need Coca-Cola. This is not in sponsored. Coca-Cola, bacon man. There. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, hit the button, and comment your thoughts and suggestions. So, see you on the next video. Bye!